This is my major career and foreign ideas presentation. Description and duties that I have chosen. I've chosen a couple just because I don't know what I want to do yet, but the first one that I put is behavioral psychologist, which is assessing patients' conditions and minimizing their negative habits and helping them to improve their lives. And the one that I'm leaning more towards is a neuropsychologist, which is assessing patients who have had traumatic brain injuries or seizure disorders and different learning disabilities. So the required education for a neuropsychologist is earning a bachelor's degree and then going to graduate school and then getting a degree from there and then getting a license to practice neuropsychology and being able to diagnose people, and then just maintaining that certification so that you can keep practicing. So, relation of my education is I've gone on to the grad plan to kind of figure out the next few semesters of college, and then putting those in areas that would be good for those semesters, and then once I'm done with that and finishing those classes, I'll probably go to graduate school. I'm still trying to figure that one out though, and then I'll just keep going until I feel good about where I am with my 4-year plan, and I'm trying to do all of the education that I need that would be necessary to do psychology. So this is a picture of me, my mom, and my husband, and my little baby girl. Her name is Annalie. I'm the one in the middle who's short. But yeah, we went to the Ice Palace for New Year's and we were able to spend some time together, and yeah, so that's me. So the reason why I've chosen to major in psychology is because I took a criminology class a few semesters ago and I enjoyed learning about the brain and what can happen when someone has experienced a brain injury that led to committing crimes and their personality changing, and that's something that I enjoyed and wanted to learn more about and see if I wanted to help people who've had gone through traumatic brain injuries and how I can help them. So